So we are going to study about the stress condition for brittle failure. So stress condition for brittle failure. So how the stress condition occur? So we need to first study about the Anderson's failure theory. It says that maximum stress is at 45 degree. So suppose these are two, this is sigma 1, this is sigma 3, then at the 45 degree angle from both of these we'll have the max stress. But the real situation is a bit different. That is a little lesser than the 45 degree. So the actual angle will be somewhere beta by 2 from this point and beta by 2 from this point. Okay, suppose this is alpha, then this is also alpha. So we know that this whole angle is 90 degree. So we know that 90 is equal to alpha plus beta by 2 plus 45. So 45 is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So beta will be 90 minus 2 alpha. What is this beta? This beta is nothing but the angle of internal friction. Angle of internal friction. Okay, and this is how it is defined. So there is a theory related to it that the stress condition at the point of the brittle failure is called the stress criteria of the brittle strength. When there is the stress curve, then this is the point of rupture. So this is called the stress criteria of brittle strength. And when the rock fails under the compression in an experimental condition, it is found that in general two sets of planar shear fractures are formed. So these two planes are formed there, and the fracture intersect in a line parallel to intermediate principal axis. So these are the intermediate, this is the sigma 2. So the fractures also, like these two lines, these are also parallel to the intermediate principal axis. The angle between these two fractures is bisected by sigma 1. These two fracture is bisected by sigma 1. The actual fracture doesn't correspond to the plane of maximum shear stress, which makes 45 degree with the angle. So these are the 45 degree plane of the maximum shear stress, but the actual fracture is occurring around these red lines. And if the angle between planes fracture is 2 alpha, then beta is equal to this. So this is how the stress condition for the brittle fracture is determined.